If you want to get live animated wallpaper on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you have two options. You can either use the built-in AI dynamic wallpaper feature, which we can find by opening settings. Then over here we can scroll down a little bit and go to personalization. And then here we have the AI dynamic wallpapers. Here you will find some example wallpapers that you can easily use straight away, or you can use your own picture that you have on your phone, a static picture that AI is going to turn into a dynamic one. So it's going to apply like a small animation, and then you can try to use that. And in here we can find just a couple of pretty cool wallpapers, so you can of course give it a try if you want to. And the second method is to simply use a third-party app that allows us to easily get an animated wallpaper. So in that case, we can open the Play Store. Over here, we can use the search option and then the search field at the top. And you can just type something like live wallpaper, animated wallpaper, video wallpaper, and so on and so forth. And you should be able to find many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to get an animated wallpaper. So I'm just gonna show you how to get the animated wallpaper based on this app over here, Zedge. And of course, feel free to try anything else from this list in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to do so, because maybe you can find your new favorite wallpaper using a different app. But Zedge actually has a pretty huge library of many different wallpapers, so of course I'm just gonna use this one in this example. Over here we need to tap on agree and continue, then accept. Over here we have the option to receive notifications, but we can also tap on not now. We have a premium offer which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. Now we're gonna switch to video wallpapers category, and then in here we can search for a wallpaper that we wish to use. We have many different categories and the list goes on and on. So let's say I'm just gonna use this one over here. Now if you try to get a wallpaper, you just have to tap on this purple button, and then you want to choose set video wallpaper. And in my case I already have access to that wallpaper, so maybe let me use a different one just in this example. So usually you have two options. You can either get the wallpaper by watching an ad. I'm not sure why I have access to this one, and there are also ads of course being displayed as well, so unfortunately you have to get through them. But there we go, you might see two options. You can either watch an ad that usually takes like 30 seconds, maybe up to a minute, and then you can get the wallpaper, or you can use credits. We actually get 10 credits once we install the app, so we have 10 credits for free, which means that usually the first wallpaper is actually completely for free. And it's up to you which option you prefer to use. I'm gonna stick with this one. Once you watch the ad or use credits, you should be able to set the video wallpaper in here, then choose set wallpaper, and then we can choose home screen, lock screen, or both of these screens. So I'm gonna use both. And there we go, we have now the animated wallpaper. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.